Good morning. Myself Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Department of Zoology, SPC Government College Ajmer. Today we discuss about regulation of CDK's cycling activity. अर्थात साइक्लिन डिपेंडेंट काइनेज साइक्लिंग एक्टिविटी का नियमन. द टॉपिक a regulation of CDK cycling activities may be completed in 6 points: introduction, cyclins and CDKs with their regulator proteins, mechanism of CDK regulation, cyclin binding specificity, and CDK with cyclin in mammalian cells. Now, first point, that introduction. Most of the known cyclin CDK complexes regulate and progression through the cell cycle. Cyclin CDK complexes सेल साइकिल के द्वारा रेगुलेशन एवं प्रोग्रेशन करते हैं. एनिमल सेल कंटेंट एट लीस्ट 9 CDKs, 4 of which CDK first, CDK second, CDK third and CDK fourth are directly involved in cell cycle regulation. जंतु कोशिकाओं में कम से कम 9 CDKs सम्मिलित किए जाते हैं, जिसमें 4 डायरेक्टली सेल साइकिल रेगुलेशन में सम्मिलित होते हैं. इन ममेलियल सेल्स CDK फर्स्ट विथ इट्स पार्टनर साइक्लिन A2 एंड B1 अलोन कैन ड्राइव द सेल साइकिल. इनमें से मैमिलियन सेल में CDK फर्स्ट जिसके पार्टनर साइक्लिन A2 एंड B1 है, अलोन कैन ड्राइव द सेल साइकिल. सेल साइकिल को नियंत्रित करते हैं, संचालन करते हैं. अनदर वन CDK7 इज इन्वॉल्व इनडायरेक्टली एज द CDK एक्टिवेटिंग काइनेज. इसके अतिरिक्त CDK7 इज इनडायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व होता है एज द CDK एक्टिवेटिंग काइनेज. साइक्लिन CDK कॉम्प्लेक्सेस phosphorylate substrate appropriate for the particular cell cycle phase. Cyclin CDK complexes of earlier cell cycle phase help activate cyclin CDK complexes in later phase. Now, second, cyclins and CDKs by cell cycle phase. As we know, in cell cycle, G0 it means resting phase, G1 growth phase, S synthetic DNA synthetic phase, G2 growth phase and preparing phase for mitosis, and M mitotic phase, in which cyclins and CDKs are involved. In G0, cyclin C and CDK3 is present. That is, resting phase में cyclin C व CDK3 CDK प्रेजेंट होता है, जबकि G1 ग्रोथ फेज में cyclin D and E and CDK4, CDK2 and CDK6 are present. S, that is synthetic DNA synthetic phase, in which cyclin A and E and CDK2 are involved. Phase G2 growth phase and phase for preparing mitosis division, in which cyclin A is present and CDK2 and CDK first involved, and mitotic phase in which cyclin B and CDK first is present. Now CDKs with their regulator proteins. There are a list of CDKs with their regulator proteins and cyclin, such as CDK first, cyclin A and cyclin B, CDK2, cyclin A and cyclin E, CDK3, cyclin C, CDK4, cyclin D1, cyclin D2 and cyclin D3, CDK5th, CDK5R1 and CDK5R2, that is restriction point. CDK6, cyclin D1, cyclin D2 and cyclin D3. CDK7 in which cyclin H, CDK8 in which cyclin C, CDK9 in which cyclin T1, cyclin T2A, cyclin T2B and cyclin K. CDK10, CDK11 in which cyclin L, CDK12 and CDK13 in which cyclin L are present. CDK levels remain relatively constant throughout the cell cycle, and most regulation is post-translational. CDK level relatively constant रहता है throughout the cell cycle, and most regulation is post-translation occur. CDK structure and function is based on CDKs of CDC2 and CDC28, and vertebrates CDC2 and CDK are involved. Now, next point, mechanism of CDK regulation. There are four major mechanisms of CDK regulation. These are cyclin binding, second CDK phosphorylation, third regulatory inhibitory phosphorylation, and fourth binding of CDK inhibitory subunits, that is CKIS. It means CDK inhibitory subunits. इस प्रकार CDK रेगुलेशन के मैकेनिज्म चार प्रकार का होता है. पहला साइक्लिन बाइंडिंग, दूसरा साइक्लिन डिपेंडेंट काइनेज फॉस्फोराइलेशन, तीसरा रेगुलेटरी इनहिबिटरी फॉस्फोराइलेशन, एंड चौथा बाइंडिंग ऑफ सीडीके इनहिबिटरी सबयूनिट्स. The ATP binding site of all kinases is a cleft between a small amino terminal lobe and a large carboxy terminal lobe. सभी प्रकार के काइनेजेस में एटीपी बाइंडिंग साइट स्मॉल अमीनो टर्मिनल लोब तथा लार्ज कार्बोक्सी टर्मिनल लोब के बीच में एक क्लेफ्ट होता है. The structure of human CDK2 revealed that CDKs have a modified ATP binding site that can be regulated by cyclin binding. The structure of human CDK2 revealed that CDKs have a modified ATP binding site that can regulated by cyclin binding. Now, cyclin binding specificity. There is considerable specificity in which cyclin binds with CDKs, that is cyclin dependent kinases. Cyclin binding determines the specificity of the cyclin CDK complex for particular substrates. Cyclins can directly bind the substrate or localize the CDK to a subcellular area where the substrate is found. For example, cyclin B1 and B2 can localize CDK first to the nucleus and the Golgi respectively through a localization sequence outside the CDK binding region. Cyclin binding alone causes partial activation of CDKs, but complete activation also requires activating phosphorylation by a CAK. What is CAK? CAK is the CDK activating kinase. It means cyclin dependent kinase activating kinase. As shown in figure, in animal cells, CAK, that means CDK activating kinase, phosphorylates the CDK subunit only after cyclin binding as shown in figure. In animal cells, CAK phosphorylates the CDK subunits only after cyclin binding. Full kinase activity requires an activating phosphorylation on a threonine adjacent to the CDK active site. The timing of this phosphorylation varies as well. For example, in mammalian cells, the activating phosphorylation occurs after cyclin binding. CAK activity is not regulated by known cell cycle pathway, and cyclin binding is the limiting step for CDK activation. इस प्रकार CAK, that is cyclin dependent kinase activating kinase, activity is not regulated by known cell cycle pathway, and cyclin binding is the limiting step for CDK activation. CDK inhibitory phosphorylation is vital for regulation of the cell cycle. CDK inhibitory phosphorylation is vital for regulation of the cell cycle. Various kinases and phosphatases regulate their phosphorylation state. One of the kinases that plays the tyrosine phosphate is WEE first, is a kinase conserved in all eukaryotes. सभी प्रकार के यूकैरियोट्स में WEE फर्स्ट इज ए काइनेज पाया जाता है. Vertebrates contain a different second kinase called MYT first that is revealed to WEE first but can phosphorylate both the threonine and the tyrosine. इस प्रकार साइक्लिन बाइंडिंग CDK के एक्टिवेशन के लिए पार्शियल कारण है, जबकि कंप्लीट एक्टिवेशन इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स एक्टिवेटिंग फॉस्फोराइलेशन बाय ए CAK. Thanks.